Hello everyone. Today I am going to start third method of calculating goodwill, that is capitalization method. Earlier we discussed two methods, average profit method and super profit method. In both cases we calculated goodwill. Now third method is capitalization method. It is divided into two parts, capitalization of average profit method and capitalization of super profit method. With these two formulas, goodwill remains same. Means if we are applying capitalization of average profit method or applying capitalization of super profit method, answer remains same. In capitalization method, by adopting any of these method, answer remains same. Clear? So first part is capitalized value of average profit, means capitalization of average profit method. Here goodwill is equal to capitalized value of average profit minus capital employed. Capitalization of average profit method, according to this method, goodwill is equal to capitalized value of average profit minus capital employed. Capital employed, regarding this we discussed in the previous video. Now what is capitalized value of average profit? Capitalized value of average profit is equal to average profit multiplied by 100 upon normal rate. Clear? Formula of goodwill under capitalization of average profit method is capitalized value of average profit minus capital employed, and capitalized value of average profit is average profit into 100 upon normal rate. Clear? And B part, capitalization of super profit method. According to this method, goodwill is equal to simple super profit into 100 upon normal rate. Clear? According to average profit method, goodwill is equal to capitalized value of average profit minus capital employed. Capital employed we discussed earlier, and capitalized value of average profit is equal to average profit into 100 upon rate. Capitalization of super profit method, goodwill is equal to super profit into 100 upon normal rate. We all are aware how to calculate super profit now. In this method, goodwill is equal to super profit into 100 upon normal rate. Now see example. Average profit is given in the question 1 lakh. Normal rate of return 10%. Find goodwill by capitalization method. Assets are given rupees 10 lakh. External liabilities 1,80,000. And also we have to calculate goodwill at 3 years purchase of super profit by super profit method, means capitalization method and super profit method. So first of all, under capitalization method, capitalization of average profit. So we need capital employed. So capital employed is equal to, what is the formula of capital employed? Assets minus liabilities. Assets are 10 lakh less liabilities 1,80,000. Clear? So our capital employed is 8,20,000. Capital employed is 8,20,000. Now normal profit. Normal profit formula is capital employed into rate upon 100. Capital employed is 8,20,000. Normal rate 10 upon 100. So normal profits are 82,000. Clear? Normal profits are 82,000. Clear? Now super profit. Formula of super profit, average profit minus normal profit. Average profit 1 lakh, normal profit 82,000. Super profit is 18,000. Clear? Super profit formula is average profit minus normal profit, and our super profit is now 18,000. Clear? So goodwill by goodwill according to super profit, capitalization of super profit. super profit into 100 upon R. Our super profit is 18,000 into 100 upon 10. So goodwill is, what would be the goodwill? 1,80,000. Clear? Capitalization of super profit method, goodwill is equal to super profit into 100 upon rate. Here we have to calculate according to capitalization method. So goodwill is equal to super profit into 100 upon R. We have to find first of all super profit, and for this we have to calculate capital employed, normal profit, then super profit and goodwill. Clear? Now according to super profit method, what is the formula of goodwill under super profit method? By super profit method, goodwill is equal to super profit into number of years purchased, and super profit is 18,000. 18,000 into number of year purchased is given in the question, that is 3 years. So goodwill is 54,000. Clear? There are two different answers of goodwill. Why? Because here we applied second formula, super profit method, and third formula, capitalization of super profit method. That's why answers are changed. But if you are applying goodwill formula by capitalization method, like both capitalization formula, like capitalization of super profit and capitalization of average profit, then answer remains same, that is 1,80,000. Now in this example you have to calculate goodwill by capitalization of average profit method. Clear? I have calculated goodwill here by capitalization of super profit method, and you have to calculate goodwill by capitalization of average profit. I have applied second formula and third formula, that's why answers are changed. If you are applying both formulas of capitalization method, then answer remains same, that is 1,80,000. Clear? See next example. A and B are partner and they admitted C. Goodwill is valued by capitalization of super profit. The firm had assets 5 lakh including cash 20,000, reserve fund 90,000 and capital account balance 3,80,000. Creditors are 30,000, average profit 65,000, normal rate of return 10%. Calculate goodwill. Clear? Then first of all we have to calculate goodwill. For calculating goodwill, capital employed, we have to calculate capital employed. Formula of capital employed, assets minus liabilities. Here assets are 5 lakh less liabilities 30,000. So our assets are, capital employed is 4,70,000. Clear? Normal profit, its formula is capital employed into rate upon 100. Capital employed 4,70,000, rate is 10%, that is 47,000. Clear? Our normal profit formula is capital employed into rate upon 100. Capital employed 4,70,000, 10 upon 100, 47,000. Then next step is super profit. Super profit is average profit minus normal profit. Average profit is given in the question, that is 65,000 minus normal profit 47,000, then 18,000 is our super profit. Clear? Super profit is 18,000. Then goodwill, according to capitalization of super profit method, super profit into 100 upon rate. Super profit is 18,000, 100 upon rate 10, 1,80,000. Clear? Goodwill according to capitalization of super profit method is super profit into 100 upon rate. 18,000 into 100 upon 10, that is 1,80,000. Clear? Clear? This is goodwill according to capitalization of super profit method. Now I am showing you capitalization of average profit method. Answer remains same. How? Goodwill formula is according to that capitalized value of average profit minus capital employed. Now capital employed we have to calculate capitalized value of average profit, that is capitalized value of average profit. Its formula is average profit into 100 upon R, which is average profit is given as, what is average profit? 65,000 into 100 upon rate 10, that is 6,50,000. Clear? Capitalized value of average profit into 100 upon R, that is 6,50,000. Now formula of goodwill is equal to capitalized value of average profit minus capital employed. Capitalized value of average profit is 6,50,000 less capital employed we have calculated 4,70,000. Our capital employed is 4,70,000 and goodwill is 1,80,000. Clear? And here also goodwill is 1,80,000. So in third method, whether we are applying capitalization of super profit method or we are applying capitalization of average profit method, answer remains same. 1,80,000, 1,80,000. Clear? Capitalization of super profit method and capitalization of average profit method. This is our third method of calculating goodwill. Clear?